What is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. Let's go! We lit! Hey, we out here. Another day at the lot. Let's go! Yo, so we're at the lot, and today it's a busy day, bro. I'm here early. Let's go! What is that smoke? Let's get it! Yeah, so today's gonna be a frippin' gnarly day. We got the YZ125 out here. No rain. It's a pretty beautiful day. Bro, we got a whole RV coming in here, dude. This is screw it. We're camping all weekend, bro. We're bringing out the whole freaking thing. Let's go. Yo, he has things holding his suspension down, I think. What are those ropes? Ah. God damn, that quick. That thing is quick. We got the race quad, 430cc. We're going. I don't want to blow up my bike, so my bike's feeling a little rough right now, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is that?
That's tiny smoke, boy. Amazon joint.
Magician? Never heard of it.
I got them on Amazon for like $1,000.
How many cc?
They said the 250 was like 230.
230, yeah.
Bought it for $100, yo.
$100 bike right there. Hold on, I gotta see this bike real quick. Let's go, he actually got this. Got him. Oh, he's sipping on it. Yo, you gotta have that vitamin water in Florida. It's hot as shit. He kills it. Yeah. You say you want it back?
Wow. Hey, now you gotta hit the main lock.
Wow, circles. That was Dank Wheelie. Shout out Dank. We got Dank Wheelie out here. He's going in a straight line. It's a rare sight. It's a rare sight. I'm just talking. Y'all know I'm playing, bro. Thanks to homie. Let's go. It's weird seeing such a big bike. I'm used to all these dirt bikes. Let's go. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm about to steal that money. He has like a brick of money in his pocket. Crazy, bro. I literally had to swerve out of that guy's way. They're racing. They're still going, bro. Oh, nope. Wow, that's hilarious. happens at the lot, bro. They're just killing it. Swagging. he's covering his face, bro. Oh. Oh, let's go. Yes, sir. Damn. That's fire. I would not want to imagine falling off. Right when I say that, I struggle a little. I couldn't imagine like falling back like that. That's probably the worst position ever to be in. What's that?
20 gang.
Yes, sir. Well, mine's a 06. Homie thought my bike was a 2020. That's it. Let's go. You know homie be whipping it, dude. Oh, let's go. Yes, sir. No way. God damn. Bro, that was so nice, bro. That reminds me of One Way Miguel or whatever from Baltimore. I think he's from Baltimore, DC, somewhere out there. He's still going, dude.
What's up, bro?
What's good, bro?
Bro, what's all you doing, bro?
Hey, I appreciate.
The one over there wheeling the 50.
You say what?
My son over there wheeling the 50. The kid on the 50.
Oh, the little kid. Oh.
He watches every one of your videos.
Hell yeah.
He's like, hey, you see me posting in this video?
That's awesome. I'm gonna get him in this video then. Pop it up. Oh my god, I thought he was done. The rev limiter never ends on the sport bike. Yeah, that's pretty vibey, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, now you gotta go. Yo, that's awesome. You're going down, boy. You're going down. Hey, bro, that shit was close. Bro, alrighty, gang. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I was flipping crazy at the lot. Remember, stay motivated. The YC, she treated me well today. Shout out the YC gods. I love you, gang. We have merch in the description down below. Till next time, peace.